Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And I've got a really nice new listing, a practically new MasterCraft XT22, year model 2022. Great boat, less than 40 hours on it, pristine condition. You won't find a nicer pre-owned MasterCraft anywhere in the country. All right, so starting on the inside of this boat, cool feel vinyl absolutely everywhere, stays substantially cooler than regular vinyl. That's how we can get away with this darker vinyl color. Flip up stern seating on the aft of the boat, always popular. Some of my customers, they say that's the favorite thing on board the boat. Big pair of tower cans up here. Somebody could also add an additional pair if they wanted to. Completely unnecessary and unneeded, but you can. Flipping clamping racks. Full sea deck the entire boat. Dual screens with the upgraded audio system, so clip speakers throughout, subwoofer, amplifiers, windshield speakers, rear facing camera, Surfstar controls over here, wireless cell phone charger at the helm. This boat really has it all. Built-in trash can, bow block-off door, nice pickle front seating, and huge storage running from underneath this seat all the way back to this back corner seat here, right next to your rear-facing stadium seating. So really nice boat. At the time of this video, under 40 hours. You will not find a cleaner pre-owned boat anywhere out there on the market. So if you've got questions about this one or any of the other ones we have online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'll look forward to talking to you.